Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to solve our fifth problem, which will be the reverse a string. Okay, so we have to create a function in a Dart that takes a string as an input and returns string with its character in a reverse order. For example, if we are passing the hello, so this will be the output that it is expecting. Okay, as you can see, the string is reversed. So I will provide you the single line of answer. Okay, so before writing this thing, let me explain the code as well. Let me just simply written as print s dot. First, I'm going to split that string. Okay, as you can see, the string is now split. After it, what I'm going to do, I will use the reversed third and join them again. Okay, what it will do, like it will reverse the array again, like something like this. Something like this. After it, using the join function, we will return the value like this. Okay, let's see the answer. As you can see, I get the expected result for the S string or the hello string. For the hello string, we are getting the result something like this, which is the expected output. For the dot, we are getting the value like this. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.